How to merge or combine PDF files on iPhone or iPad. First, open the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, find the PDFs you'd like to combine. You can merge two or more files. To select the files, at the top right corner of the screen tap the three dots. From the menu that appears, choose the option Select. Now, select the PDFs you want to merge. Once your files are selected, at the bottom right corner, tap the three dots, then choose Create PDF. This will merge the selected PDFs into one combined file while keeping the originals intact. After merging, you'll see the new PDF file. Tap it to open and check that all your selected PDFs are combined into a single document. You can now rename the file. At the top of the screen, click on File Name. From the menu, click on Rename. Now enter the file name, and the bottom of the screen, click on Done. To share the file, tap and hold the file. From the menu, click on Share. You can share the file in any social media platform. Swipe right-click on the More. Here I am choosing WhatsApp. Click on the contact name whom you want to send the combined PDF. Now click on the Next and then tap on the Send. To verify, open WhatsApp and tap on the contact name. Now you can see the shared combined PDF. And that's it.